So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now we're going to expand WOW6432 node. And now we're going to expand Microsoft. And now we're going to find Internet Explorer. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're now going to scroll down till we find Internet Explorer. Here it is. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Make sure that you're now in the Internet Explorer folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you want to find version. Now once you find this, you want to double click on it. And now in this box right here, we're going to type in 9.11.252.11.0. So under value data, make sure that you have this tapped in right here and then click on OK. And we can now close out of this. And now for the next step, we're going to head over to search again and type in optional features. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on view features. We're going to type in Internet Explorer mode. In my case, it's not showing because I already have it. But in your case, you should be seeing Internet Explorer mode. You want to tick the box and then click on next. And then you want to add Internet Explorer mode. Also, you may be having Internet Explorer 11. So you want to click on view features and then type in Internet Explorer 11. If you do have it, then you want to add that as well. However, if you do not have it, then it's fine. You could just leave it. So now once you've added either Internet Explorer mode or Internet Explorer 11, or if you've added them both, for the last step, we're just going to restart our computer and then the problem should be fixed.